And mischievous is Jacqueline Gorospe.
Jacqueline Grossman, candidate number 14.
And where's Jacqueline Gorospe? Yun! Hindi ka nakikinig.
Candidate number 14, just come forward. Ayan.
Jacqueline, yes. Gorospe. And we have Miss Captivating Beauty.
Miss
Is Faith Matre. Faith? Come in front, please. To receive the
candidate
award.
number 20. Ayan.
Yes. And Miss Close Up Smile
Miss Close Up Smile,
goes to Cherry May Cloud.
Cherry Cloud, candidate number 1. Please come forward. You are the winner of Miss Close Up.
Cherry May Cloud.
Yes, you're always smiling. That is why you're using Long Ridge Close Up toothpaste.
Yeah. Number 1.
Okay,
Cherry
Miss
May.
Close Up. Yan, bilisan na natin, mga round girl.
Miss Confidence.
Sa yung mga pagsabi ng Rosas. Okay, congratulations. Another minor awards.
Miss Confidence goes to Chari Vizcara.
Confidence. Candidate number 2, Charlie Vizcara. Confidence. Confidence siyang manalo. Okay.
Ayan, ang dami ng ating
Oh,
awards.
ang kagulo-gulo na yung mga mariposa. Mariposa! Baka magkabalik-baliktad, ha? Hindi sure, tama ang sinasabi ninyo. Baka sabihin siya ng mortality. Okay, candidate number 20, baka yung sabit na.
Miss Confidence kay Chari Vizcara.
Okay. Thank you very much. Candidate number 20. And candidate number 14. Number 1, wala pang nasasabi.
Tsaka yung kay ko, na
Tsaka yung candidate number 2. Number 2. Okay, ulitin muna natin. Please na. Close up smile, number 1.
naka-close up kung makita yung Jesus. Natabunan.
Okay, close up smile. She's using Long Ridge toothpaste.
She's close up.
That is why she had that kind of smile. Close up smile. Isang close up smile na rin. Yan. Ganda ng pisngi. Okay. Yung candidate number 2 natin. Pakibilis na, mga girl.
Barbie Girls, yung flash ng ating candidate number 2. Ano ba?
Miss Confidence. She is the winner for Miss Confidence.
Ayun, hindi makita yung confidence. Not confident here.
Kasi yung mga round girl, iisip nila kung ano ka close up girl.
Miss Confidence.
Okay, next award.
Miss Enticing Beauty.
Enticing Beauty.
Enticing Beauty.
Ito yung Space Beauty.
Rani Rasi. Bendina.
Candidate number... Candidate number 13, Miss Nana. Candidate number 13, you're the winner for Miss Enticing Beauty. Okay, the center, Sas, please, bilisan na. Baka magkabalik-baliktad ang inyong may sasabi. Next, award, Miss Exotic. Ito yung sinasabi nila, Exotic. Okay. Candidate number 19. Rita Melea. Candidate number 19, Miss Exotic. Ayan. Exotic. Okay, bilis lang. Okay, bilis lang.
Next is Miss Flawless.
Miss Flawless. Ito yung sinasabi, kaya kayo gumagamit ng mga lotion dahil naging flawless ang mga skin. Okay? You always using lotion.
Yan, si
Okay.
Nadia Almonte. Oh, it's flawless. Deserving. Now, get ready with Miss Fabulous.
Miss Fabulous. Talagang flawless ang skin niya.
Fabulous is Miss Victoria Acoliado.
Victoria Colorado.
Victoria.
Victoria. Vicky for short, candidate number 9. Yan. Dito.
Now,
Yes.
Miss Friendship.
Miss Friendship. Ito yung walang kalaban sa Facebook.
Yan, marami ka FB.
Marami siyang FB. Wala siyang FB.
She is Ratna
Ratanur Hidwati.
Duwat.
Candidate number 11. Miss Friendship.
Yes, always
She
smile.
always smile. That's why she is friendly person. That's it.
Friendship.
Okay. Our sons. Brown girls.
The next one is Miss Gorgeous.
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 Sa Tagalog, anak ni George.
Mag-George. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Candidate number.
She is Joey De La Cruz.
Zoe De La Cruz. Candidate number 5. Gorgeous. Tatay niya si Juan George.
Miss Flavorous.
Ayan, Laborous. Sa Tagalog, meron siyang
Anak ni
generous.
Lolo.
Gumaya ka sa akin. Pagkatapos ni George, sabi niya, mga amor naman. Miss Glamorous, candidate number
Karini Costa.
Costa. Ayan, candidate number 18. Ayan, Miss Glamorous. Glamorous.
Flavorous.
No doubt about it. You're the winner for Miss Glamorous. Thank you very much. Miss Charity Costa from Sri Lanka.
Yes.
Yes. Congratulations. Next award.
Is Glamorous.
Glamorous.
Sas ng Glamorous.
Sas ng Glamorous. Just wait a little while we're looking at you. While you're looking at me,
Yan.
the way Mr. Tony Bartolome is looking at you, she's happy. The way you look at me, I'm happy. Glamorous! Nasa na?
While they're waiting to find your sash, we're gonna call on Miss Photogenic.
Photogenic, the favorite na photographer. Ito yung pinag-uusapan namin kanina. Ito, walang daya.
Photogenic is
Hindi ito in-scrap.
Miss Karen Bernardo.
Karen Bernardo, candidate number 8. You're the winner for Miss Photogenic. Ayan. Alam mo, eto, minsan tinatanong ko yung photographer, bakit ka pinili? Tingnan mo yung sagot, ha? Jer, ano ang nakita mo? Bakit siya nakita mo? Panalo ng Miss Photogenic.
Kasi rin ang nakita ko sa'yo.
Gaya-gaya. Sagot ko, sinagot niya rin. Ayan. Okay. Glamorous and photogenic. Ako. Next award. Bilis lang ang ating mga presenter. Okay. After ng photogenic, of course, smiling face. Smiling face.
Miss
Okay.
Glamorous sash is still missing.
The
So
really,
hold on, the really just wait for a while.
wait for a while.
Looking for your
Even though you stay longer there, I'm happy to see you.
Everybody's happy to see you. Oh, we cannot miss.
Actually, it's not our fault because maybe that's the reason why you're standing in there. Just to look at our face.
And now we're gonna call on Miss Smiling Face.
Smiling face!
Karen Rivera.
Oh! Karen Rivera! Candidate number 8 again, please come forward. Candidate number
Smiling
8,
face.
Karen Rivera. Smiling face, always smiling. Ayan. Nakita niya na. Basta lagi kang ngingiti, lagi kang magwawagi. Congratulations, Miss Smiling Face, Karen Rivera. Asa na yung ating glamorous Sas. Sas.
So,
Okay, next.
move on to Miss Sophisticated.
Miss Sophisticated. Siya yung high-tech. Tawagin.
Happy Tiwi Angarani. Or Miss Sophisticated.
Candidate number 17. Candidate number 17, Miss Hannah. Candidate number 17,
Nakita na.
Happy Tiwi Angarani. You're the winner for Miss Sophisticated.
So then, they
Okay.
hold your sash.
There's a goal. Next winner
And
for Miss.
Sophisticated.
It's already.
I said Miss
Okay, socialite.
Gorgeous.
No, socialite. Sophisticated. Sophisticated. Thank you very much, Ms. Claire Rose.
And Miss Socialite.
Costa.
Call on Miss Socialite.
Socialite.
Ready na ba kayo sa award?
Okay, SAS and trophy.
She's
Socialite winner is candidate number
Kusumawati. Tika, Kusumawati.
Tita.
You're Miss Socialite.
Candidate number 15, Miss Socialite. Tika Kusumawati from Indonesia. Okay, next award is
Star of the day.
the Star of the Day.
Star of the day.
The Star of the Day, meron na yan, okay, ready? The winner, the Star of the Day is
Lion Terra